Gentlemen, if you're over 60 and looking for one simple addition to your diet that could support your heart, brain, and digestive health all at once, you're about to discover why chia seeds are being called a senior man's best friend. Stick around to learn how these tiny seeds can make a big difference in your health. And subscribe for more practical nutrition advice, tailored just for senior men. When it comes to simple foods that deliver impressive health benefits for men over 60, chia seeds are truly remarkable. These tiny seeds have been used for centuries for their nutritional power, and modern science is now confirming what ancient cultures knew all along. Let's explore why chia seeds deserve a regular spot in your daily routine. Let's start with what matters most to many senior men: cardiovascular health. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds deliver 5 grams of omega-3s and 10 grams of fiber, creating a powerful combination for heart protection. The omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, have been shown in multiple studies to reduce inflammation and support healthy blood pressure levels. The soluble fiber forms a gel that helps manage cholesterol absorption, while the insoluble fiber supports arterial health. Research shows that regular chia seed consumption can improve cardiovascular risk factors in older adults, including reducing LDL cholesterol and supporting healthy blood pressure. For men over 60, this makes chia seeds a valuable ally in maintaining heart health. As we age, digestive health often becomes more challenging, but chia seeds offer comprehensive support. 2 tablespoons provide 11 grams of fiber, representing about 40% of your daily needs. This includes both soluble fiber, which forms a beneficial gel that slows digestion, and insoluble fiber that adds bulk to support regular bowel movements. The prebiotic properties of chia seeds feed beneficial gut bacteria, which is particularly important after 60 when gut flora diversity naturally decreases. Studies show that the unique fiber composition in chia seeds can improve bowel regularity, while supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria that enhance nutrient absorption and immune function. Mental sharpness requires proper nutritional support, and chia seeds deliver crucial nutrients for cognitive health. With 2.5 grams of omega-3s per tablespoon, chia seeds provide building blocks for maintaining brain cell structure and function. The omega-3 fatty acids help keep cell membranes flexible, allowing for better communication between brain cells. Research indicates that adequate omega-3 intake can slow cognitive decline in older adults. Additionally, chia seeds contain powerful antioxidants that protect brain cells from oxidative stress, which naturally increases with age. These compounds work together to support memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. Managing blood sugar becomes increasingly crucial after 60, and chia seeds offer multifaceted support. The unique combination of 4 grams of protein and 11 grams of fiber per serving creates a slow-release effect on carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar. Clinical studies demonstrate that adding chia seeds to meals can reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes compared to meals without them. The magnesium content, providing 30% of daily needs per serving, further supports insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. This comprehensive approach to blood sugar management is particularly valuable for senior men concerned about metabolic health and energy stability throughout the day. Maintaining strong bones requires specific nutrients that chia seeds provide in abundance. 2 tablespoons deliver 180 milligrams of calcium, 240 milligrams of phosphorus, and 95 milligrams of magnesium, creating a perfect synergy for bone density maintenance. The calcium content in chia seeds is particularly noteworthy, as it's more bioavailable than many other plant sources. Research indicates that adequate intake of these 3 minerals can reduce fracture risk in older men. The boron content in chia seeds further supports bone health by enhancing calcium absorption and supporting vitamin D metabolism, making them an excellent choice for preserving skeletal strength and supporting an active lifestyle well into the senior years. Now, you might be asking yourself, all right, but how do I actually use these little seeds to get all those benefits? Well, we've already created the perfect guide for you. In our previous video called How to Eat Chia Seeds the Right Way, we walk you through simple, effective methods to unlock their full power. You can watch that video right up here on the end screen, or by visiting our channel page. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, hit that like button now, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing health tips.